Hello everyone, welcome in new video. So in this video we will talk about normal or Gaussian distribution. Both are the same. Either you can say normal or Gaussian, right? So in this video we will first see the definition, then we will go through all the concept about the normal and Gaussian distribution. So let's see the Gaussian distribution definition. So it is in probability theory and statistics. A normal distribution or Gaussian distribution is type of continuous probability distribution. If it is a continuous probability distribution, then we will talk about PDF, right? Probability density function. And for the concrete probability distribution, we like talk about the PMF, right? Probability mass function. Okay, distribution for a real valued and random variable. Okay, yeah. So let's talk about this graph. Yeah. So this one is the probability density function, and this one is the cumulative distribution function. Okay. So in this graph, as we can see that when the like mu is constant, okay, and then we are increasing the variance value sigma square. First time it is 0.2105, and then when the value of mu is increasing, then sorry, mu is constant and the sigma square means variance is increasing, then we can observe that the spread is increasing. First time it is like this one, where mu is 0 and sigma square is 0.2, and then second time what we are doing, mu is constant and we are increasing the variance, so this one, okay, like this 0 and variance is 5. So what we observe here, we observe like when sigma square is increasing, then spread is also increasing, right? Spread is also increasing. So what does mean spread? Spread means like this is narrow, this is more spread than this one, and this one is more spread than this one, right? So like this, what we can conclude here, like when the mu is like constant and sigma square means variance is increasing, then spread is also increasing in normal distribution or Gaussian distribution. It is not for all distribution, it is only for Gaussian or normal distribution, right? And same like this cumulative distribution function you can see here, right? In this, what happened in this gradient, like a gradient decrease, okay, in the cumulative distribution function. So for the this one is for only continuous random variable, right? Continuous, continuous random variable. Random variable. What is continuous random variable means? It means it is not a whole number, it is in point and it's fraction value, right? So see, if x is a continuous random variable, it is something, then how it's look like. So the normal distribution or Gaussian distribution always shaped like a bell curve, or you can say also symmetric distribution, like not exactly like this, but yeah, try to draw a bell curve. What does it mean? Like this, like this. Okay, so what does mean normal distribution? This is a concept of normal distribution. Means mu equal to, means mu means mean, equal to median and equal to mode, like all the 3 points are present at one point in the center point, right? That is mu, median and mode these three are like equal, okay, in the normal or Gaussian distribution. Okay, like let me see the example of some Gaussian distribution data set, right? So the we can set weight of a student in class always shaped like a well curve or a normal or Gaussian distribution, right? Or second one is like height, you can say height of a student in class, students in class. How we know this? This is like proved by scientist or doctor. Okay, same if you know about the iris data set, which has petal length and sepal length and sepal width, you can also that's also proved by the scientist. Okay, so how we like what is the notation for the Gaussian or normal distribution? So the notation for normal or Gaussian distribution is capital N, mu and sigma square, right? So, and the parameter is mu is our mean, and sigma square is variance, and x belongs to R. It is random variable. Okay. So the what is the PDF formula for the density function? So the PDF formula is 1 divided by sigma under root 2 pi e to the power 1 by 2 and xi minus mu the whole square divided by sigma, right? This is the formula for the PDF calculation, right? Using this PDF formula you can calculate the PDF. Okay, So the let's see the what is the mean of normal distribution. Mean of normal distribution. So the mean of normal distribution is nothing but average of all the data set, which is I equal to 1 to n and xi divided by n, which is average or mean, you can say, right? Mean, simple mean or average formula, right? And what is the like variance? So variance is sigma I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu the whole square divided by n. And what is the standard deviation? Nothing but under root of variance, right? And this one you can say variance equal to sigma square nothing but it is variance only, right? So this is all about the normal or Gaussian distribution. One more thing, it like in this the Gaussian or normal distribution is empirical rule of normal or Gaussian distribution, which is let's talk about it. Yeah, this one is so empirical rule. Okay, so what it say that like in the first just a minute, in the first standard deviation 68% data are present. What does it mean? Like this is the mu. What is this is our mu. Let me change the color. Yeah, this one. So this one is mu. Sorry, oh, it is not changing. Yeah, it's changed. Yeah, this one is mu, and to the right side, this one is the first standard deviation, and to the left side, this is the first standard deviation. So in this area, our 60% of data set are present. Same like this, to the mean two standard deviation is left side and right side. In this area, our 95% of data are present. Same like this, to the from the mean three standard deviation, we can say like 99.72% data are present in this area, right? So like this we can say if someone asks what is the probability of being x in the first standard deviation, what we will say? We will there it is a chance of 68%. Let me write something, just a minute. Yeah, so the probability of x being in the first standard deviation, so probability, what will be probability? 68%. What does it mean? 0.68.